now it is currently 1:16 p.m. and we're at 200 meters. It's 1:16 p.m. and we're in the car and we're actually heading to 8 Rockwell because I was actually invited and I'm attending the Sunnies Face launch. I'm so excited and I feel very honored to be invited there because I've never been into any Sunnies launch, and Sunnies Face is like really hyped right now, so to be part of the launch, it's like really mind-blowing.
Turn right on Australia.
Thank you, Waze. But yeah, we are heading there now. Because I honestly feel really sick, and I don't know if you can tell with my voice, but my voice is very husky and raspy, so we're going home. The event's finishing at 4, but it's currently like 3 something, so I left early. Guys, so we are in the parking lot. Wow, all of a sudden I feel very, very confident in vlogging because there's nobody here except for my mom and cars. But we are heading to the Rockwell Mall. Hi guys! So I'm in the car now and we're heading home. I already checked out the whole room for the launch, so I thought I'd just leave. And it was kind of a bit weird because I was the only one without any companion and everybody else had someone with them to take their pictures. I'm so sad because I have no one with me and the place was like super duper Instagram worthy, but that's okay. I made sure to take a few photos of the place. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm kind of nasally because I do feel a little sick, but that won't stop me from going to Sunnies launch. And actually, I don't know if you guys noticed, but they did give me a freebie. So they have, I think in here, all the shades for their Fluffmatte lipsticks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here now because I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else. event, we did go to Zara. We just got 2 things, like a pair of pants and a t-shirt. So yeah, we're heading home. And actually, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here now because I think after this I'm not gonna be doing anything special anymore. Probably I'm just gonna do, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna probably edit because I do have a video queued up to upload. Yeah, so I'll end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys, wait, na-try ko ba yung lipsticks? Yeah, I probably should. Joke lang, hindi ko pa pala i-end. But I'll try the lipsticks later.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.